The JEL Konti II CTM is a vibrating screen for containment applications up to OEB 4. All common screening tasks can be carried out. The Sieve insert change also works without breaking the containment. The special feature, thanks to the drawer system, the screen does not have to be dismantled or decoupled from the product flow during this process. This saves time and minimizes plant downtimes. To change the Sieve insert, the front machine cover is first removed, and the two-part table is set up, on which the Sieve insert can later be conveniently set aside. Thanks to the latching mechanism, assembly is very easy and does not require any tools. After the control unit has been brought into position, the Sieve insert change can begin. First, the foil remnant from the last insert change must be turned over in the sealing console and fixed with adhesive tape. This allows the foil to be removed cleanly from the seal console later. Now the mounting aid is set up on the deposit table. Then the operator takes a prepared foil bag and connects it to the assembly device. To do this, the foil is threaded from the inside, folded over, and fixed with clamps. Now the assembly aid with foil bag can be picked up and docked to the sealing console on the screen insert opening. A pneumatic seal on the console ensures a dust-tight connection. Before the Sieve insert can be pulled out of the trough, the operator must remove the foil residue from the screen insert opening. To do this, he vents the pneumatic seal, reaches into the seal console with the foil bag, and pulls the foil remnant into the bag. Now the Sieve insert can be pulled out of the machine like a drawer and put down. To decouple the used Sieve insert from the machine, the foil bag is tied with two cable ties, and a cut is made between the two cable ties. The screen insert opening remains closed to the outside by the foil remnant in the sealing bracket. Fitting the machine with a new Sieve insert is also very simple. The new insert is packed into a foil bag, which is being fixed to the mounting aid. The mounting aid is then connected to the sealing console. Now the foil remnant can be pulled out of the sealing console and deposited in the docked foil bag. Then the new Sieve insert can be pushed into the screening machine. In the final step, the foil bag is tied again with cable ties and cut so that the contaminated foil remnant can be disposed of safely. The JEL Konti II CTM can be used for a wide range of products and screening tasks. Breakage of the containment due to operator error is virtually eliminated thanks to the simple, tool-free operation and intuitive control concept. A special feature is the drawer system, with which Sieve inserts can be changed particularly quickly and without contamination. The screening machine is constructed in hygienic design and is available in different variants.